Hi, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Smart Sonic Plus electric toothbrush. When you order this toothbrush, the prices range between, I believe, $36 and $50. It does come in two colors. I have the silver. This is the base of the toothbrush. This is the charging dock. It also comes with a 3M adhesive sticker. This is the wall charger, and it comes with two toothbrush heads with covers. Now, this is where the toothbrush, in my opinion, saves you money. So you can buy one toothbrush and multiple people can use it because they can each use their own toothbrush head. Of course, you may want to mark something on here so you know whose is whose, maybe their initial or something, or you could get a piece of colored tape and put on here and do a different color for each person. Or if you're just going to be the only one using it, then you get two to start off with, so that gives you 6 months worth of toothbrush heads, because remember, you're going to want to change these out every 3 months. That is recommended by both the Smart Sonic electric toothbrush makers, in addition to the ADA. So the charging dock. Now, this does have a USB charging cable. This allows a couple of different things. Number one, if you're on the go, you can charge this in your car. If you're going on a trip, you can charge it in your car. The other nice thing is you're definitely going to want to put this adhesive on the back of this section here and attach that to your wall, because, and this was really the only downside that I saw to this toothbrush, because of the heaviness of this, if this is not adhesive to a really strong surface, you're going to have it where it could possibly tip over a little bit easier. But as long as it's, I feel, adhesive to the wall or to the counter, you should be fine. But you don't want to put it on the bottom here. And the reason is, this section can come off, so that way you can take this whole piece with you, like I said, if you're going on a trip. Otherwise, it'll give you a really good solid docking station to put your toothbrush to charge. Now, the first time you use it, you are going to want to charge this for 12 hours before you use it. It has several settings, and I'll go over that with you. To attach this, you just simply make sure that the bristle side is facing the same side as your button, and you just slide it on like that. Take your lid off. Now, you are going to want to make sure that you put your toothpaste on, and then as soon as you put your toothpaste on and push the button to the setting that you want, get it in your mouth, because within a few seconds it's going to start pulsing the way it should, and if it's not in your mouth, it's going to go everywhere, so you'll have a big toothpaste mess. But you do have a few seconds before you have to put it in. It has several settings. So you click once, and it says clean, white, and gum care. And this is clean setting, whitening setting, gum care. This is cleaning and whitening, cleaning and gum care, or whitening and gum care. Now, I know it says whitening on there. This will help remove residual staining. However, it's not going to take the place of over-the-counter or in office bleaching. It's just not going to take the place of that, but it will definitely help get rid of some of the staining that you have on your teeth. Now, you may wonder, what is the difference between this electric toothbrush and, say, one of the electrical spin brushes in the store. And I'm going to show you. When it says Sonic electric toothbrush, think of the little ultrasonic cleaners that the jeweler uses to clean jewelry. The jeweler will put the jewelry into the little basket, usually has some little blue water in there, and it'll start shaking and the water will start pulsing. Okay, that's what the ultrasonic toothbrush does. Okay, it has that pulsing, so it's helping pulse the water through the teeth, for instance, in between the teeth, and it's helping pulse those stains and debris off your teeth. If you were to use a spin brush or a regular toothbrush, you're not going to get the same results. And I'm going to show you what I mean by using this, and I'll turn the light on. This right here has some teeth in here and some liquid, and the light is just there so you can see that, you know, the water's in there. You can see that it can be moved around. It's not moving on its own right now. And this is how you can test an ultrasonic toothbrush. Theoretically, if it is a true ultrasonic toothbrush, when you put this up to the water and turn it on, you should start seeing the water move around. And I'll try to get as close in as I can so I can show you. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to just put this right here and kind of put it at a 45-degree angle. And I'm pushing in a little bit, but as you can see, the water in there is definitely pulsing a little bit. You can see it splashing up against the teeth. And that's because, and you can see the depth here. The toothbrush is not actually touching those teeth, but yet it's still making that water pulse. And so that's what it's doing with the water in the toothpaste in your mouth when you're brushing your teeth. So when you are brushing your teeth, you want to make sure, and I've got a little model here. I'm not actually going to brush my teeth. But when you're brushing your teeth, you're going to want to angle this at a 45-degree angle, and then you're going to glide the toothbrush over in kind of a circular motion, just like this. You're not going to want to push really hard because you don't need it. For you aggressive brushers, you're not going to want to push real hard on this. You're just going to go lightly at a 45-degree circular motion, and make sure you get up around those gums. Especially those of you who have periodontal disease. This toothbrush is pretty much good for everybody. However, some people will benefit from it more than others. Those in braces, moms, if you're having a really hard time getting those kids that, you know, they're in braces and they keep getting really bad checkups every time they go to the dentist to get their braces tightened, this kind of toothbrush is going to help tremendously. Okay, it's going to be able to help them get in there and clean way better than a spin brush or a regular traditional toothbrush. Also, people with periodontal disease are greatly going to benefit from this toothbrush because people with periodontal disease tend to build up tartar quicker than others. And this right here, it does have gum care, so it's really going to help with those gums, which is very important for those with periodontal disease. So, you know, this is definitely an investment. You know, our mouth, our teeth, it's all connected to the rest of our body, which means it's all connected to our heart. And if we don't take care of our teeth, it can scientifically, you know, affect our heart. People with diabetes, heart conditions, they're more at risk for things like periodontal disease. And a toothbrush like this, I can't express enough how beneficial this could be for you. You can research anything I'm saying through the ADA. You can go to, plenty of different places that will tell you the same thing, that, you've got to really make sure, especially diabetes, heart conditions, you definitely want to make sure that you're keeping your mouth clean as best you can. Of course, nothing is going to be as beneficial as going in to see your dentist and hygienist every 6 months to have your cleaning done. For those with periodontal problems, you're probably going to need to go every 3 to 4 months. But this right here is a great way to help you those in-between times to keep your teeth clean. And again, if you're really wanting to help whiten your teeth, this will, especially those in-between bleaching touch-ups, it'll definitely help with that. Again, it cannot replace actually bleaching your teeth, but it can definitely help make your teeth a little bit whiter. So, would I recommend this toothbrush? Absolutely. I do feel that for the money, it is definitely a good deal. It's a great investment, and it can save you money, like I said, by only having to purchase one for multiple users, since you can replace the heads. Again, you may want to just, do something so you know whose is whose. But it's a great toothbrush. I have enjoyed using it, and I would definitely recommend it. So I hope this helps, and thank you for listening.